Hello students, last lecture we have seen the topic as refraction of light through glass prism, and the new topic is now we have dispersion of white light by a glass prism. There we have seen the refraction, how it occurs, and some angles related to the prism we have seen. Here, after understanding that, the dispersion of white light we can understand by a glass prism. So as you can see in the figure, first you understand one glass prism is shown in the triangle shape, and on that one face, left side face glass prism, a white light is passed through sheet of the paper, through the whole of the sheet of the paper. We have to take the sheet of the paper and in that do one hole. From that you pass the white light. So a streak of light we have to pass on the one face of the glass prism, like a torch. Only streak of light should pass and incident on the one face of the glass prism. From there, as we have seen the refraction of light, the refraction occurs, and in this refraction you will find 7 different ways it is refracted. One white light is distributed in 7 parts, and if on the opposite face, on the opposite side, at some distance, if you put one screen, black screen, so on that you will find some colors of light. You will find first as a red color line, then you will find orange, O for orange, Y for yellow, G for green, B for blue, I for indigo, and V for violet. As we have read as Vibgyor in reverse order. Vibgyor, you know, the order of rainbow colors. That way the different colors you will find on the screen. So here you can see that you have passed only the white light on one side, incidented, and you are getting after refraction 7 different colors. This phenomenon of distribution of 7 colors from the white light is called dispersion of light, right? This is understood by the figure, and now we will see its theory point-wise. So dispersion of light is splitting of white light, as we have seen here. White light is split into 7 colors. So splitting of white light into its 7 constituted color on passing through a transparent medium like glass prism is called dispersion of light. Understood? Next point is, when white light is incident on a prism, as we have understood, it decomposes, means it splits this white light, and hence a band of 7 colors is obtained on the screen. On the screen we get the band of 7 colors. The band of these color is known as spectrum of white light. This 7 colors band is called spectrum of white light. On the screen we get a band of 7 colors in the following order from bottom to top. Vibgyor, as I say. Vibgyor means first from the bottom to top we have to see. At the bottom, as you can see in the figure also, V, that means violet, I indigo, B blue, G green, Y yellow, O orange, R red. Vibgyor order. All the constituent colors of white light have same velocity in vacuum. All these 7 colors velocity in vacuum, where there is no medium. Vacuum is, where there is no medium. All the colors velocity is same there, where no medium is there. When white light passes through a transparent medium, but when the white light passing through the transparent medium like not vacuum, some medium is there. Maybe it is glass, like we have taken in the glass we have means passed the light, or in water we can pass glycerine, etc. All these are transparent medium, they are not vacuum. So when the white light is passing through the transparent medium like glass, water, and glycerine, etc., at that time velocity of constituent color changes. At that time it is not same. the velocity of all the colors will be different in transparent medium, where it is same in vacuum, where it is different in transparent medium like glass, water or glycerin, it is different. And due to this, deviation of different constitute color occurs at different angles. Therefore, you are getting here at different angles the different colors, because you have passed not through vacuum, you have passed it through glass, and glass is a transparent medium. So all the colors velocity will be changed. So whose velocity will be more, it will be deviated less. You can understand? Whose velocity will be more, whose velocity is more, that means speed is high, so it will not deviate it more. Deviation means it will not change its direction more. It's practically also you can understand. When you are running fast, it is very difficult to change the direction. Or when you are running your vehicle fast, at that time also taking the turn is risky. So similar case here, similar way we can understand here, whose velocity will be higher, its deviation will be lesser. So if you are getting red color first, that means what you are going to understand? The red color's velocity is highest, maximum. Therefore its deviation is minimum. And on the contrary, violet color's velocity is least. Therefore its deviation is maximum. Who deviated maximum? Violet, na? So it's because its velocity is minimum. That we will understand here also in the theory. Each color has unique refractive index. Hence, 7 colors of the spectrum gets refracted in different proportions. Example is given. The velocity of violet light is least. Given? Velocity of violet light is least, and so it bends the most. The most bend is of violet light. Why? Because its velocity is least. And on the contrary, the velocity of red light is highest, and so it bends the least. Hence, spectrum of prism, red color at the top while the violet color is at the bottom. And the full order you can understand with your similar way. So this way, dispersion of white light through prism, we understood the question. And this is very important question for the exam. It can be asked in 3 marks. So prepare it well. Thank you.